Right, George. Fucking bastard. And that's where it is. Oh my God. Bit of shit hanging out. So we can only put the step to here, so we'll remark that too. And then it'll be like, yeah, that's enough. 370 to 470. Isn't it? And you got that as well, or something. Yeah, there too. Right rock. 450. Good afternoon. Check that out. Sunshine. See us on Saturday. No chance. So today, as you've seen, the side is dug out. The steps are going in. This half of the drive is dug. Now, shut up, Tom. This, Tom just went, don't call me Doug. This originally, from that patio to this drive, we're going to be one continuous slope. Now, when Tom moves, we found foundation there, which is, obviously we wouldn't have been able to do it. And we found this, let me show you. 1930s drain. But we were always going to keep this in. We were going to box it in and do whatever we wanted to do with it. We were. Before everyone goes off on one, yes, we do change them sometimes, but they don't want to, so we're not. But that leads to that manhole behind that sleeper, instead of back to the road, which you would normally do. So that manhole up here must be deep. Something's got me here. That manhole here must be deep, because we are well up here compared to down there. So yeah, you'd think it would go down towards the road, but no. Did anyone spot little Oliver? Got a new guy with us. 18-year-old. He's a man. I've got to praise him because his father-in-law, Chris, watches us. So I can't slag him off. At all, because he'll just come and get me water. But yeah, Bradford City fan. Man United fan. Bradford City fan. Leeds. So he's a what? Man U fan? Chris is a Man U fan. Anyway, less of that. They won this weekend, so did we, so they're above us. Yeah, anyway, whatever. But yeah, sleeper steps in, driveway in. It's a rush today, this week. It's a rush, because I told you about 6,000 times. I'm off to Poland, aren't I? So, yeah, these boys are staying here, cracking on with this drive. I'm just gallivanting around Europe once again. So yeah, that's it. I'll leave you with us putting this step in. Right, that's a wrap. I've literally put that sleeper in, up in Rose, and then I was like, right, come on, we need to go. It's now like 5 to 6. I need to go sort that step out. So, yeah, that job in Pudsey is officially finished. A bit of grouting, that was it. 5 minutes, 6 seconds it took. I'll probably edit that video so it isn't that long for you to watch me grout a step. But that's how long that video was, 5 minutes, 6 seconds. See, that's what you do. You go to a job, I need to nip there, I won't bother. And it takes you 5 minutes. Probably took me longer to mix the grout, if I'm honest with you, and let it set a little bit, you know what I mean? Let's go around this corner. Yeah, just hang on. So yeah, that's it guys. Tomorrow we are not allowed to record. We're in a nursing home, it's a bit private. I've mentioned it, they don't want all recording on it. So it's got a block paving repair, 20 metres by half a metre. Literally lift it up that much. So I'll leave you all and I'll see you Wednesday, 8 o'clock sharp. Just try to drive. See you soon.